How many AI tools do you normally use to create just one marketing video? Maybe ChatGPT for ideas, another AI for images, another for video generation, then CapCut or Premiere Pro for editing. Or you know it, you've got 5 or 6 browser tabs open just to make a 20-second ad. But what if one platform could handle almost everything? Today I'm testing AI Inspo, an all-in-one AI creation platform that claims you can generate images, videos, music, and marketing content, all without switching between different websites. So I'm not just going to show you the features, I'm going to build real content from scratch and see if it's actually good enough for YouTube, TikTok, or Shopify ads. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I test the latest AI tools to find out which ones are actually worth using and which ones are mostly hype. Today's tool is AI Inspo. Instead of focusing on just one AI model, AI Inspo brings together multiple powerful models into one dashboard, so you can choose the best one for your project without constantly jumping between different platforms. Whether you're a freelancer, a Shopify seller, a small business owner, or someone creating content for clients, the biggest goal here is simple: save time while creating professional-looking content. Let's see how well it actually performs. After logging in, the first thing I noticed is how clean and beginner-friendly the dashboard is. Everything is organized based on what you actually want to create. Instead of searching through complicated menus, you can jump straight into image to video, text to video, image generation, AI music, and a huge collection of ready-made templates. One feature I really like is the inspiration section. Rather than starting from a blank page, you can browse hundreds of projects created with different AI models, making it much easier to get ideas for your own content. What's even better is that AI Inspo brings together many of today's most popular AI models in one place. Depending on your project, you can experiment with models like Veo 3, Kling 2.1, Halo, Pixverse, Vidu, and several others, all without leaving the platform. And there's something exciting coming very soon. AI Inspo will officially launch support for Seedance 2.5 around mid-July. One of the newest AI video models. If you've been waiting to try it, this will be one of the easiest ways to access it. To celebrate the launch, AI Inspo will also be running a special promotional discount. So if you're thinking about trying the platform, mid-July is definitely a date worth keeping an eye on. Now, enough talking. Let's put everything to the test and see how these tools actually perform in a real project. Let's create something. For my first test, I'm creating a simple product advertisement. Normally my workflow would look something like this. Generate a product image, move to another website to animate it, download it, open another editor, add effects, export. It's a lot of unnecessary steps. With AI Inspo, I'll upload this product image, choose the image to video feature, pick an animation style, adjust the camera movement, and click generate. While it's processing, notice there are different templates depending on the type of content you're creating. Some work better for product showcases, some are designed for cinematic videos, others are perfect for social media or UGC style content. A few moments later, here's the finished result. Honestly, the animation looks surprisingly smooth. The lighting stays consistent, but the product keeps its original shape instead of changing every few frames. The camera movement also feels much more natural than I expected. I could definitely see myself using this for Shopify product pages, Instagram Reels, TikTok ads, or Amazon product promotions. Now let's make things more challenging. What if you don't even have a product image? Imagine you're launching a completely new business. You haven't taken product photos yet. You don't have a designer. You don't even have marketing assets. All you have is an idea. Let's see what happens. I'll type a prompt like this: a luxury skincare bottle placed on a marble table with soft morning sunlight, cinematic commercial, premium beauty advertisement, generate. While it's rendering, this is actually one of my favorite use cases. Instead of spending hours creating concepts before you even know if they'll work, you can generate multiple versions and test different marketing ideas much faster. And here comes the final results. For something created entirely from text, that's honestly impressive. The composition looks clean, the lighting is realistic, the camera movement gives it that commercial feel. Even if you later decide to shoot a real commercial, this is an excellent way to prototype your ideas first. Beyond those two tools, there's actually a lot more packed into AI Inspo. You can generate AI images, create AI music, transform existing photos, browse hundreds of ready-made templates, try different AI models for different creative styles, and even explore projects created by other users if you're looking for inspiration. One thing I appreciate is that everything is connected inside the same workspace. Instead of downloading files, uploading them somewhere else, and repeating the process over and over again, your workflow stays much more organized. That alone can save a lot of time if you're producing content every day. So after testing AI Inspo, I can definitely see why it's useful for creators, freelancers, Shopify sellers, and small businesses. Instead of paying for multiple AI platforms and constantly switching between them, you can manage almost your entire creative workflow in one place. And if you're planning to give it a try, mid-July is definitely the best time. That's when Seedance 2.5 officially launches on AI Inspo, and they're celebrating with their lowest Seedance pricing ever, including 50% off Seedance credits for a limited time. If you've wanted to experiment with one of the newest AI video models without paying premium prices, this is a great opportunity. You'll find the AI Inspo link and all the promotion details in the description below. If you enjoyed this hands-on review, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.